Now you can see with this function which we have created earlier, the first row has the frozen characteristics that when you're going to scroll it downwards, this first row is that is stable, it is not moving. So it has frozen its first row. Now if you want to create some of the headings to your spreadsheet via coding, then you have to do some of the code here. Now you have a class's name, that is, we need some way to set the values for a particular range of cells. We're having the option here to rename or to delete or to make a copy here. You're having the file here to open, delete, save versions, to edit, to view, to run, that is to create. And two resources are for library, cloud platform, advanced Google Sheets, and just to help. So let's set some values and let's have another code for it, that is, you just write down where ss, that is variable ss, is equal to spreadsheet app dot get active spreadsheet. You're having where sheet is equal to ss dot get sheets another is variable values is equal to two 0.000 1. You're going to give the values to your headers. Another value is, let's have the $3.00. Sorry. You have to bound it in one more braces. Now you have to give the range of the cells, that to which cell you want to set the values for. For example, we are going to write it here from A2 to C2. Now you have the range dot set values. It will set the values here. you're going to put values. So when you run this, you are going to get the three values, that is 2.0, 1.0 and 3.0, from the columns A2 and C2. A2 to C2 यानी कि A2, B2 and C2. This is the way how you get the values for your headers. When you are going to run this, it's going to give the error. The error is what? You have not mentioned it in any of the functions here. You have to write the function name here. You just put it in any other function. You just create headers, you write here set values. So now when you are going to play this, it will ask you for the further two functions, that it will ask you whether you want to run the set values or you want to run the create headers. So when you're going to run the set values, then this function will run and it will give values to your spreadsheet. Thank you.